With the new ZOLLER powerShrink 400-600 device series, ZOLLER offers an optimized and reliable heat shrinking process for your company. The ZOLLER Pilot software offers a variety of options for how to start the heat shrinking process. The best choice is to select the scan step. Remove the handheld scanner from the holder and scan the data matrix code on the ZOLLER ID chip. The ZOLLER varOct coil with the motorized adjustment option automatically positions the correct diameter. In the ZOLLER Pilot software, you will see that you can position the coil over the shrink fit holder using the linear unit. By activating the axial clamping, it is simple to position the coil over the shrink fit holder. Once you have completed this process step, confirm the step, and you will immediately see an indicator that you can start the heating process. You can now either start this heating process directly using the Pilot software or using the function button that is illuminated here on the operating handle directly on the coil. We start the process using the software, and then the heating output is initiated via a fully automatic procedure. You can see the automatic process here. The flue gas suction device is activated as well, and the heating process is already completed. Move the coil to the top, take the tool, and insert it in the chuck. The ZOLLER Cool by light shows you directly which cooling bell you should approach correspondingly. Push the holding pot to the cooling bell, and the cooling bell can be easily lowered over the tool using the linear unit via simple push operation. The cooling bell will then switch to red, indicating to you that the cooling process has now been started. The color red indicates a warm tool, and the cooling process is active. The cooling process remains active only until the color switches to blue, indicating to you that the process step has ended. In the meantime, of course, you can immediately shrink clamp another tool and complete the same process here correspondingly. You can see that the software has jumped immediately back to the shrinking process, so you can execute the next process step here directly. You can also equip the cooling bells optionally with other diameters. This means that if, for example, you primarily have diameters 10 to 22 millimeters or 10 to 16 millimeters, several of the same cooling bells can be attached here so that the corresponding cooling process can be executed more effectively, since you can cool the same shrink fit holders one after the other. Now you see the color is blue. The tool is completely cooled, and you can simply engage the cooling bell once again over the linear unit. The color switches to green, which means the position is ready again for the next process. You can remove the shrink holder and can now execute the next process step. This could be, for example, balancing or executing the measurement of the tool directly using the presetting and measuring machine. You have seen how you can use the new ZOLLER powerShrink 400-600 device to execute a reliable shrink clamping procedure.